There's always a fresh twist on an old color palette that we bring back, right? Well, this one is refreshed jewel tones. The beautiful colors that we see in the container, this Kiko geometric container, are coming through and pulled in this gorgeous color combination. You see here we've used the one monochromatic in the peonies and the cabbage rose with the accent of the boxwood. Now we're going to make a smaller one that will be a nice companion piece to bring forth the peacock color. Always remember to design a couple different sizes when you're making your displays, because someone is going to be drawn to the larger design and maybe are thinking that's going to be too large, and so you're giving them an option that's smaller. Or perhaps it's a smaller one and they're like, oh, I kind of like this one because it's going to be better. So remember to design in at least 2 to 3 of one color palette so that you're really giving some visual impact on your displays.